Right, I was yes, I'm Wakwaba. And I saw Yashan Sama Costa Wagudi Monsamiana Doss, there's a fata salt and a probably one of the brocket with Senior Rabbi Japan. Yes, and of course, Game Park games, Game Park. You can Game Park a honey discount and of course weekend Bassa no and I don't want Jim Game Park and Kwane game or bar no power dear we would then you remember than no pan for we have and we have fun you remember fat and take my when in minute never when Jim pick 4 and not pick 1 number be a dawa come so obi esha says for 1 week what the birthday a tradiano first day and for second day and for third day sika kwa na di nyasam keto akra dan me che ne se me de reba tv so abana be yobo kakra we di sika se poto ni favorite no na wa tua ne dan kana amani favorite no kra tips asan de account atasa se zen chono so betu efifio ti gameparkgames.com omo kan one opena and then some ready brewer richoko of course is here nim say the analytics are been so ko we pa me wono bread ba ko na eno de nyai kakra ka bibre na me ye slice because a slice of bread and yet a loaf of bread in the tea, a slice. We trying to see na me the boss na be at makoye. And now I Richoko, one more sponsors and a promo canwa, and then some of the bro. Kijuan Kasani, Erica City, but the Bashase at the Africa Football League and semi-final games. About Sonra Hako Pia, my interest in Elali, and then Memali Sundowns will be on Badwam to your continent, and of course, as France, the Tunis, about with that by a goal to nail. With that 5-4 penalties. With that, I qualify at the court and name sign first leg on the course with the room. The rest of the matches no easy quay. The Africa Football League final set for the 5th of November, and in Africa, about first leg and a second leg. Memali Sundowns, then with that Athletic Club of Morocco, on aboard the final of the Africa Football League now. If you're not and for Kopimo the Carabao Cup and Wamana qualify for the next round of the competition, the West starts the Manchester United in so many years. United at now Newcastle, Abechina, Shifian, Namana near the Hawkray, and Yasam Ketas Frenial of Bono, Chelsea winning Liverpool, a winning Arsenal this year from Kudus Mohammed, as she go my West Ham United. So quarter final not being so cool. Utimon Kanwa, you be fine. Why now? Interesting fixtures now by Chelsea. And Newcastle United, and Everton, and Fulham, Liverpool, West Ham United. Now, Port Vale, one more on Middlesbrough, the Appiums away, and it's an official new in the quarter-final of the Carabao Cup this season. 19th December, quarter-final, no, Ebe Shasi and BBI Akoye. Richo Cook and one opinion in some idea, Brian Kopi on the Ghanaian Premier League. Never send a one summon Swiss match day 7 and Accra Heart of Folk, Chemediema, Bono Eka Mako Makomi and Samediema Timobako.
Before this, as Mediama play from left to right. Accra Hearts of Oak lying in the bottom ranks of the Ghana Premier League. Mediama in 8th position, and Accra Hearts of Oak want to settle the score once and for all as they come forward. Lovely pass, but good timely intervention there in the 18-yard box, including Hamza Issa. A swung in that long, it goes straight into the net. That was Apia Kubi. He went up for that. From goalkeepers to the rescue. Ibrahim, the goal scorer, sets up the pass. And then it's a long ball forward. Kofi Asma is under some amount of pressure. Accra Hearts of Oak, they win the contention! And it's goal! Number 2!
But then Prince, Hamza Issa, he doesn't even...
Hearts now looking good as they come forward. Dennis Nkrumah trails it in towards goalkeeper. He fumbled with it first time. And the defense of Mediama had to come to his aid. Swung to the near side. Good ball control by Kamara Dini. Header on target, and Mediama get themselves back into the game.
But then it all begins with that ball from Kamaradini, who just finds a case of space to locate his teammate.
Lays on the pass. Oh, good reflexes, quick action from Accra Hearts of Oak. And it's Accra Hearts of Oak as they come forward now. It's Kofi Asma is the only defender. Accra Hearts of Oak should make it 3. It's midweek glory for the Phobians.
What a counter-attacking goal by Hearts of Oak.
Wow. Winner bad, long last, winner bad. Now what I'm win. Go to mama. Coach Koopman, there's something to judge him. Say, the strikers no, almost we Ghana crash strikers near, midfielders near, wingers near. I feel the near Jose, I feel was solve our problem. No, winner bad, near pa.
The last game before this game was also okay, but I think sometimes it was a football show. They like to play football, and yeah, they must wait a long time. But now they see if you are patient, and we did it on the training session. It's coming back in the game, but it asks a lot of the fans, I know. But now you see what can happen in a few weeks.
Yeah, you in the last game you played both Ramos, Kashala, and also Hamza Issa up front. Today it's repeated that you've scored 3 times. You've never scored more than 1 in a game this season. Do you think you found the antidote to your goal-scoring problems?
I hope so. I hope so. It was a pity that Hamza was sick in halftime. So he had a little problem with stomach. He must every time to the toilet. I asked, where is Hamza? Yeah, he's again on the toilet. So I must change him, but you see the qualities of Hamza. He has something from Romario. Low on the ground, turn very fast. Yeah, I like him very much. It was a pity that he must change. But all the other one.
Right. Martin Koopman. What they Hamza go no compare Mario a go into you know. Nessa and some the other results a Basel, which United SMU I Great Olympics coming back on Nations FC 4 0. Samatex 3, Legon City 0. Wow, and of course, I don't start tonight future about football, but for Canada, but for tea, Academy, you know, beating on the Alpha Dianus with Carella and a gold star, so about 1-1 and a Sacra Lions, Womone, Hearts of Lions, Webone, Swatchamania, Sante Kotoko, Kumase, Baba, Nyara Sports Stadium, Kashanusa, FM, we had a Ghanaian Premier League match day 7 and 1-7 day, Brewo, no, Yemerson and 1-7. You know, Isaac Nomanyo, Ejinemo Debaye, Abra, Akaporso, Moabuasi is constituency for Ejina Omona so the Jumadi Stronko as a share. So new football pitch Pania commission or ISA Potemua, or more Ejina Swahe, Nabi Bietima Kuyema, and Mabuna on Potemono, at me, and Yaba Bia Diagro.
Sunny Abaye, Nemabuna War Boise East constituency, and Yababy, Essia Kansai Diagrono, Sports Complex, Shen, and a Makako Sinua. Yatu dinya Danseman Park. Ya yasampa huntuma ewa kaporiso. Emrashe bedweni owo mpatemu ho. Ura Patrick Boachi Adom. Ese emebunu ni mlaken sipa. Enunti a park shen ya mapa huntuma yi. Ano beboa na talent ahodo a ewo mpatemu ho no. Omadamu wadi na Ghana so ate ho mfaso.
Se yempanyimfo ni biti se John Mensa mo kra bobo wo Sakora Park so etimi bobo kwa abrochire bobo blaster. Ene na nkola mo ba die omunya sa facility we dia minim se the sky will be their limit.
Na mpanifo bi e ka bi e wo mu wo mpatemu ho no so eso mani age pa. Se ne Adansema Park abapie kromu ho a obi bia wo mantemu ho no ebetuma gina so asi akan na mo so ate omo ho anim.
Park radio said your mobile my no san and mabetu sa ebehesu yi na ya
match pass any school football competition acho mo call Lenclay wo Obuasi East obekọ ache Lenclay and aso into we say so betumi abo school for super yi.
Right. I know need the course or Obuasi and an important near there. You imagine so that I pray the I can see Richoko can honor den some idea bro. No the best started day ni na nema kuye di ama wa Richoko. I'm okay one open den some idea bro. Gamepackgames.com pick 1 pick 4 would this get a good boto my oma mana easy. Yeah. Easy so be this car. Easy cry. And you some get to crack gamepackgames.com na what me download your app now don't want James so na star 946 hash Oba na I lead you on now what to me atwa bi na bibia tima koye ene 9 ye be draw back 12 ye be draw back na 6 p.m. ya draw back na ya ma more power more mula skebi ade be to bia no times 26 wow umpewe open gamepackgames.com okay one up na ya den some no at the Badwam so ya de be keju wana kasani Erika Sidubwedi.